In this video, I'm going to show you the improvements we've made to the way Countfire works when you select a symbol. When making a selection, Countfire will now automatically find 90-degree rotations without holding Shift, and also look for the floating reference. Pressing E on your keyboard, clicking Edit, or clicking in the selection preview will take you into the Edit menu. On the Cleanup tab, you are in Erase mode. Left-click and hold to erase parts of your symbol, or you can use keyboard shortcut D or click Erase All to remove them. You can use your mouse wheel as a button. If you click and hold, you can bring parts of your symbol back, or you can hold Shift and use your left mouse button. To edit the floating reference, you go to the Configure tab. So if you want to remove the floating reference, you do so by using your mouse wheel as a button, and you left-click to bring the reference back. The layout of the edit window has changed, and your quantity multiplier, symbol description are now at the bottom left corner of the screen. You also have your discard changes and your save changes button at the bottom as well.